There is a 95% chance that the way you're formatting your resume is ruining your job search. There are so many great jobs out there that you are very qualified for, and you're missing out. Not because of your experience, but because no one taught you how to format your resume properly. Let me ask you a question. Would you ever show up to a job interview in your pajamas? Of course not. But by formatting your resume incorrectly, you are essentially doing the same thing. Luckily, I'm gonna teach you how to fix that right now. So today, I'm gonna walk you through the best resume format, the best resume template, and how to optimize your resume for ATS scanners. Also, if you stick around to the end, I'll tell you how you can enter to win a free resume review from me, a certified resume strategist. First, let's talk resume templates. So if you use a resume that is overly complicated, you are not going to get through the ATS scanners. But if you use one that's too simple, employers are going to think that you don't put a lot of effort into important tasks. So we need to hit a sweet spot right in the middle. These are my 3 best templates. They're all very professional, eye-catching, and ATS optimized. And after writing 2,000 plus resumes, I can tell you that these 3 have the best conversion rate. So either make something like this yourself, or if you want one of these directly from my website, I have a link to that down below. Next, the absolute #1 mistake people make when they're formatting their resumes is to start with their experience, or their education, or an objective statement. This is an absolute killer for 2 reasons. Number 1, the first time someone looks at this, they're only gonna spend 6 seconds deciding if it's good or bad, so we need to get their attention with some eye-catching branding. And that's gonna look like this. So we start with a professional title. This is gonna show them our best skills and our industry of expertise. Then we've got a nice professional summary here as well. You can use this as a guideline. And then we throw in an areas of expertise section. This is going to make them absolutely sure that we have the skills they're looking for. So when they read the resume, they are excited. The second reason that we start with all that branding is because we need to work keywords into our resume to get past the ATS scanner. And if you want to make sure your resume is ATS friendly, make sure to stick around to the end so you can enter to win a free resume review from me. Companies use applicant tracking systems, or ATSs, to scan every resume coming in, and those ATS scanners are looking for keywords. So that makes this doubly important. Now that we have all our branding in place, we can dive into our professional experience on the second half of page 1 and on page 2. And by the way, yes, 2 pages are allowed. Now, each job in our experience section is going to have 6 critical pieces of information. A job title, the company name, of course, the location, dates, including months, and then a nice short overview of your responsibilities, and then bullet points that focus on all of our best accomplishments. This section is the most important, so don't rush this part. So after our experience, we'll usually include our education, and then we can include a number of other sections if we feel it's necessary. These could be training and certifications, awards, languages, and whatever else you want them to know about you. Just make sure you do not go over 2 pages. Now, for an extensive lesson from me on how to optimize your resume, check out my free resume writing course here on YouTube. And to enter to win a free resume review from me, leave a comment under this video that has the word happy in it. That's all for today, and remember, you deserve a job you love.